In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a welcome message with Carlbot. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go on carl.gg and log in with Discord if you haven't done so already. And once you're logged in, go back to Discord and create a new channel. And in this instance, we're going to just do a welcome channel. And since it's a welcome channel, we just want to name it something like welcome. Press create channel. Now all you want to do is head on over to edit channel, which is the little settings icon. Head on over to permissions, and for everyone, make sure it's a view channel. And then for send messages, press X, and then read message history. You want to check that as well. And then just press save changes. Now after you've done that, press the little plus over here and scroll down until you find Carlbot. And then scroll down until you find send messages, and then just save your changes. Now, once you're back on carl.gg, all you want to do is go over to utility where it's going to say welcome. This is where you can make your welcome message. So as you can see, we first need a welcome channel. We have no welcome channel currently selected, but you just want to go and find the one that you just made, which is welcome. You can also do a farewell channel if you wanted to, but for now, we're just going to do welcome channel, press save, and then from here, you can do welcome message. So it says hello, mention, and welcome to server. So if you want to just keep it as that, you can, or you can just type in whatever you want to as well. We're just going to click save, and we're just going to keep it as standard. And then from here, we're going to click save. And now anytime someone joins your Discord, in the welcome section, anytime someone joins, it's going to give them a nice little welcome message, which is just a nice friendly way to say hi